Hi, I am Husna, student from Mechanical Engineering, to present my research progress for this semester. My research title is Assessing the Effectiveness of Solidified Fatty Acid Filtration in Oleochemical Plant, a case study. This is the content for research progress for this semester. For introduction of the study, in a oleochemical plant for finished product require to go through critical control point, which is CCP, in order to comply with food and feed safety requirement. A critical control point is defined as a step at which control can be applied and is essential to prevent or eliminate a food safety hazard or reduce it to an acceptable level. A critical limit is a maximum and/or minimum value to which a biological, chemical or physical parameter must be controlled at a CCP to prevent, eliminate or reduce to an acceptable level the occurrence of a food safety hazard. A critical limit for fatty acid is validated as the differential pressure must be more than 0.1 and less than 1. The effectiveness of the filtration is measured based on the trial sample and the study conducted for suitability filtration. This is the simple flow process from storage tank to the tanker. The current practice in this particular oleochemical plant, the filtration used in loading operation activity, is sewing type of filtration. However, there is common existence contamination, especially carbonized fatty acid from storage tank, which is passed through from the plant filtration. The carbonized fatty acid is conversion of an organic matters into carbon through destructive distillation. It may often form due to exposed to high temperature, and sudden change in operating pressure cause temperature spike. From the problem statements, the fully thermal weld filtration that be able to hold the retention better than sewing type. Thermal bonding is a technique in which thermoplastic materials are individually heated using a variety of methods, causing them to melt. They are subsequently crushed by applying pressure, causing polymer intermingling. Objective 1 is to evaluate the effectiveness of different type of filtration for various fatty acid produced. The progress is ongoing with 90%. The second objective is to analyze the relationship between the filtration effectiveness and the operating differential pressure, dP. The current progress is 60%. And for the objective 3, to propose and assess a modify filtration system. This is the scope of the study. The evaluation method is to use heat seal filtration type at all CCP for loading activity for duration of 1 week. Inspection of filter is conducted during installation on after loading in weekly basis. The scope of the products covered is blending of solidified product. Then, operator need to record the observation of filter bag condition and the differential pressure. From the CCP for blending product, the category is solidified product, and based on the observation, the torn case was happened at seal line, which is suspected overheat. This is the torn filter bag condition. This is the overall research planning. For next semester, the data will be validated accordingly. This is the status of publication, which involves CCP study, and this study is expected to be completed by January 2023. Shown here is planning for next semester. Tentatively, agenda for next semester are site assessment, simulation and data tabulation. At the moment, my case study is ongoing per planning and targeted to be complete by January 2023. That's all from me. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.